This was our coldest Munro trip yet. We saw everything the Scottish winter had to throw at us, from crazy wind, seriously strong gusts, steady rain all day on the first day. We got lost in the mist on top of the hill. We saw ptarmigan and red deer and woke up with the tent collapsing around me in a blizzard. Yeah, it was an awesome trip. All filmed on an iPhone. Great fun to make. I hope you enjoy it. Day one started in the Glenshee Pass. We start filming just as we're reaching the summit of Creag Leacach, or what we thought was the summit, and carry on to Glas Maol. False alarm. Turns out that's the one. Seriously windy. Now you can hear me. There's not much to see. We're at the top of Glas Maol somewhere. We're in this little shelter by this point. Oh, water on the camera. The wind's died off a little bit, but you can get an idea of how strong it is because the rain is kind of flying through this wall. We've come across ptarmigan, and there they go, friends. Yeah, they did. We got very close. We got lost for a moment and spotted the ski lift, which thankfully is marked on the map. And now we did have a bit of clear sky. We saw the road down there, so we know really much. The sun is starting to drop. We've found a pretty good path. So we're walking back along here, trying to get there before it gets dark, just because there's a river crossing we don't want to do. Cairnwell. Beautiful. Gorgeous. We're going to have to try and find a crossing point, so I'm going to test it out for Will. Yeah! We have made it back to the car, and we've just spotted the best of a bad bunch of camping areas. So I think we're going to see if we can get some nice food in Braemar, maybe a pub dinner, and even a beer. And then we're going to come back here, pitch our tents. So we are camped up, got my jacket on, inside the sleeping bag. Not that cold, but it's very, well, it has been very windy. We were hoping we might see the northern lights, but it's quite a bit of cloud cover. So I'm going to go to sleep and have an early start tomorrow. I woke up because it was getting quite cold. Saw this shadow on the tent. I thought it was like Will's tent pushed on mine in the moonlight. I went and had a look, and it turned out it's snow. And basically there's a kind of what I would only describe as a blizzard blowing outside. So right now the tent is being pushed, I don't know if that shows, pushed to its probably frame limits, and there's quite a bit of snow out there. And it's cold. It feels really cold in here. Let me just show you what my tent looks like right now. So you can see Will in his Hilleberg solo, perfectly fine. Me and my 4 class, one man is totally collapsed. New Year's Day, we are in the Glenshee ski resort now. It's had a nice dusting of snow overnight. It's not that cold, it's not -1, but the wind is really cold. We are going to be heading straight up behind me, up that underneath the chairlift, to the top of Cairnwell. chairlift up at the moment.
7 minutes up in the chairlift, and it took us 30 minutes to walk.
Okay.
We hiked up 300 or so metres.
Yeah. Doesn't sound like much. Yeah.
Almost at the top.
Now we're going to get to the top. It's meant to be one of the uglier Munros because it's covered in pylons. The visibility is terrible. This is the official top. But I don't think we'll be going in there. It's piled up high with rocks. Anyway, very cold, but mostly very, very windy. Well. Deep in the tundra now, beautiful little lock here, heading into the distance. This one is pretty distant. Well, just lost visibility as I put the camera out. But that's where we're heading. We'll across this valley if we don't run out of time, and that is happy?
Yeah, very happy.
It's unbelievably windy here, you can barely stand. Looks like you have to crawl behind this cairn. Sorry? Will!
Hello.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, tired. Ready for some lunch.
Yeah. Munro number 2. That is only number 2, isn't it?
That, yes, that's the one.
Well, we've got quite a lot more to do today.
We'll have a nice prawn mayo sandwich.
Yeah, my camera is frozen.
Oh, how did you find that?
I found it good.
Yeah?
Slow and steady. It's a lot harder.
Didn't feel like I was climbing as steep as we actually were.
Yes, yes.
And I found that really, really like everything was tired.
Yeah.
I'll just lay in the snow here and die.
Still have my frosty lens. Done 2 Munros. Beautiful sunshine. We've come left there. Across here. We need to walk up the back of this ski area to the top there. We walk down. We've made it. The sun has come out, but there's dark clouds coming in. I don't know if you can see that. On this side, we've got beautiful sunshine. Actually, it's very nice. Last time, Càrn Aosda. That's it. Now we just need to get down before it gets dark. Yes, here's the cairn. Hiding from the wind. Well, happy?
We did it!
Yeah, we made it. It's 2:30. It's already starting to get a bit darker. And I think about 3:30 you lose the light. So that would have made this a lot more difficult, and then we've still got to get a flight home. And the roads were very snowy, so hopefully we can even get back. I'm assuming that all will be fine by now. Anyway, so that's where we started. Not that one you can see, but behind it is number 2. I'm sitting on number 3. Here we have 2 from yesterday. That's the second. That was the first yesterday. My water turned into a slushy. So, and anyway, my other one's frozen. And my water filter froze and broke. So hasn't been a good trip for water for me. Now we're back in Braemar. Gonna go get some food, maybe possibly a beer. It's a beautiful little town. Very nice. I think we've got a few good spots. This is the hotel, Five Farms, that we were in yesterday. It's still very much decorated for Christmas, and they seem to have a very cool New Year's event going on. Black tie and bagpipes and all sorts of stuff that they were gearing up for. My final update. In the loveliest town of Braemar. It's snowing, there's Christmas decorations everywhere, and it is beautiful.